opening the kitchen. Hey, chef. Sous chef. Never done this before. 54 people. All right. Oh yeah, I'm ready. It's like I'm in a cooking show.
Yeah.
Season to taste, season with salt. Colors look great. Third batch. Hi, chef.
I don't think I'd call me a chef.
Hi, chef.
You're a sous chef.
I'm a sous chef. Whoa, look at this. This is how much, wow, this is how much ragu we made. Wow, that's a lot.
There's 2 more pans.
There's 2 more pans. And I'm the chopper. And the venue's right there. I need a drink. I need a drink. On to pasta. Cooking the pasta. Yeah. Let's see the progress here. Lots for the gluten-free people. Oh, so much. That's the ragu. So proud of it. Smells so good. And drinks. There it is. Drinks. Okay. Cook those chicken. Hold on to the fish. Let's hope nobody has diarrhea. Do this. They're just putting the lid back on. Look how beautiful. Oh, how beautiful. Oh, how beautiful. College choir kids. A little bit for everybody. Oh, yeah, we can feed another 100 people, I think. Probably. Hi.
Food is fantastic.
Well, they all love the food again. Look at all the people eating. Somebody coming for seconds and all that. And asking the chef. Well, there was one kid that was pescatarian. I'm glad what I cooked up was useful. Keeping it warm. Let's get back out there. They're incredible kids.